So if any of y'all have a C43, and if it came with these mats like I got, but you're looking for all weather mats, especially for like the winter, I know there's a lot of shitty ones out there, but I found these on Amazon. I think they're like $60. They came with all four, but I only put the fronts in. But they lock in just like the stock ones do into the anchors. But the only thing is, because they're pretty heavy and thick rubber, if you get on it pretty hard, like if you accelerate a little fast, the rubber will flap down. I put one little circle of the Velcro sticky that sticks to the back of the mat, and then the Velcro just sticks to the carpet. Like these little ones on each side, and it's been perfect since. And they're pretty cheap. But I only put the fronts in because I don't really need them in the back. And I'll tell you something else too. If you're into really detailing your car good and cleaning it, one of these LEDs is the best thing in the world for cleaning. You see every little mark you could get. Like when I got my windows tinted, I thought it was pretty clean. As soon as I hit it with the light, I saw all the drip marks from their spray. And I got it all off. So yeah, highly recommend getting one of these. And if you have a reel, it's perfect. All done, nice and clean. Looks good now. It's filthy.